Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to change the engine mounts on your John Deere 200 series tractor. This might also apply to some other tractors like the 300 series as well, at least for a couple of the mounts. A lot of those are real similar where they're riveted onto the frame or some kind of other mount. So what we need for this today is going to be a rivet gun, two 3/16 by 1/4 inch rivets per mount, and a drill with a 3/16 drill bit. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is go ahead and drill out the rivets for the original mount. And that's pretty simple. Like I said, it's to drill with a 3/16 bit. And just like that, the old mount's off. Alright, so here's the new mount, here's the old mount. You can see you want this tapered side up on the new mount. Now these mounts here, I got these off of eBay. They're substantially cheaper than the John Deere mounts, and they appear to be pretty much identical. I've also heard you can get them off of places like McMaster Car, but I think they have additional tabs that you have to cut off so they'll actually fit. So I think your best bet is to get these ones off of eBay like this. So go ahead and place them out where it's got to go. I like to put both rivets in just to hold it in place so it doesn't twist. I do recommend wearing safety glasses when you do these rivets, because whenever they finally pop, the pieces do go flying. So just make sure you protect yourself. All right, so let's finish it up. Just for the record, that piece when it flew off hit me right in the face. So wear those safety glasses. Alright, so there we go. It's on there. I've already done the other 3 on this tractor, so I'm ready to go. Now you can try to do this with the engine in. I think you'll probably be okay with the front mounts, but I think the rear mounts are going to give me a little trouble on those inner rivets. I've also seen guys use bolts and nuts instead of the rivets. I think you could probably do that, but I think I would recommend maybe using some sort of thread locker, because you guys all know that these coolers like to vibrate. Alright, I just want to give you guys an idea why it's important to make sure these motor mounts are in a nice shape. Here's my 212, and as you can see, both these motor mounts up front are missing their rivets. And this one over here, if you can see there, since it's been run so long like that, the metal is actually missing from the frame, and there's nothing left now to secure that rivet to. So check your mounts. If they're bad, replace them. Alright guys, hopefully that gives you a better idea of what you need to do to replace the engine mounts on these. It's really not all that hard. You just got to have the right tools. Doesn't cost a whole lot either, and like you can see in the other tractor, it's worth doing it before you have some kind of other irreversible damage done to the frame of the tractor. Well, since I got the new mounts in, looks like I'm about ready to put the 12 horsepower engine in this, so hopefully you'll see that on one of the future videos. Thanks for watching.